So, what is retargeting? Well, retargeting is a new way of advertising that's becoming more and more popular among marketers because it's so powerful and effective in driving business objectives. In fact, retargeting is a very simple concept. It may sound a little bit complicated at first, but in this video, I'll introduce the concept in a very simple illustration. So, let's first imagine that you're an owner of a business like Amazon.com, where you sell products like diapers and TVs and whatever you have. And if you think about a customer's journey on the website, first, a customer visits your website, and then that customer decides to leave your website without buying anything, which is kind of sad, but things happen. At that precise moment, retargeting lets you show ads targeted at that specific user with hyper-personalized creatives and products that they navigated on your website. As you can imagine, these ads are so relevant and hyper-personalized based on their behaviors on the website. These are really powerful and much more effective in driving sales or traffic to your website compared to the conventional way of advertising. And that's why more and more marketers are trying to use retargeting when setting up different ad campaigns. Let me give you an example. So recently I've been looking at different bike locks across different websites. And on Jet.com a couple of days ago, I actually looked at this product which looked pretty cool. But at first I thought it was a little bit expensive within my budget. So I just left the website without buying the product. And then I went over to Fortune.com to check out some articles. Surprisingly, on the right bottom of Fortune.com, I saw Jet.com retargeting me with that specific product, even with a discount coupon. Immediately after seeing this ad, I was more inclined to go back to Jet.com and actually buy the product right away because I was given a better deal. And that's why retargeting is more effective, which is why more marketers are trying to use it. So by this point, I guess you might be wondering, how does this thing work in the first place? Well, it's actually pretty straightforward. When a visitor comes to your website fires a pixel that's directly linking the visitor's behavior to different ad platforms like Facebook, Google, and YouTube. Then a cookie is placed on the visitor's device, whether it be desktop, mobile, or tablet. Now, that data go to the audience lists on Facebook, Google, and all the advertising platforms you use. And based on these lists, you can directly target these users with hyper-relevant information about their behaviors and traits.